I have a Moen INS10601 that is leaking at the base plate where it joins to the sink. It's the hot water, for sure. Would this be a replacement of the cartridge to cure? Many thanks, John.
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
Just started yesterday. Even when the lever is in the off position, it seeps out from under the base plate.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so. Faucet set was installed new in August of 2017.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do all I can to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. If it's leaking at the faucet base, it's most likely a bad cartridge. Contact Moen at 800 BUY MOEN for a warranty replacement.
Would you know the cartridge part number, or should I get that from Moen?
Just tell Moen what you have and they will send the right part.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.